Hey everyone, today I want to unbox this 1:7 scale Chisato figure from Lycoris Recoil. This figure is made by Good Smile Company and it cost me about 13,100 yen buying from AmiAmi. I bought it like over a year ago, so it's been a while since I ordered. But I think the market price may be a little bit higher. And just a disclaimer, I'm not a figure expert myself, so I can't really give detailed answer as to what's good and what's not good about the figure. I'm quite picky when it comes to buying figures, and all the figures I buy, I do plan to display them. So I don't buy them just out of like love for the character. I look at the pose, I look at the outfits, and I decide to buy after. So yeah, I really like this default outfit for Chisato, if you could see. So without further ado, let me just get the unboxing for this figure started. Chisato is one of my favorite characters from Lycoris Recoil. Originally, I was gonna get the Takina as well, like from the same set. But after looking at the figure, I didn't really like the pose for Takina, so I decided to not get it in the end. But yeah, I think honestly, like all the other Chisato figures were pretty meh to me. It's either like a mix of the pose being really weird to me, or it didn't fit, or it's just like too plain, or like the clothes are just like not my type. But yeah, let me just get this open up and yeah, we'll see what's inside. But yeah, before I open it, let's take a look at the outer box. So it's actually quite small. Usually it's like rectangular, right? Like the figures, it's either like more cubical rather than rectangular. And yeah, it's like pretty small. Oh yeah, we just got like all three sides. It's got her name written on here, Chisato Nishikigi. Yeah, the back side's just like that. Honestly, nothing too special about the box, in my opinion. So yeah, let me get to unboxing it. Honestly, I don't know how people get this to open without like damaging the side here or damaging this part, but yeah, I'm still trying to figure out how to open it without damaging it. So I just did a quick Google search. It turns out if you open it from the underside, you won't damage the box. That was such a chat tip. But yeah, let me get the figure out of the box. It smells very plasticky. Got like the manual on the inside. Yeah, let me just put the box aside. In case you're wondering what the inside of the box looks like, there's the Lycoris mark on the back of the box. But you won't be able to see it anyways because it's not a see-through box. I'm pretty sure it's easy enough to figure out how to put this on, so I won't open it for now. But it seems like the gun comes apart from the body itself, which I didn't know about. Let me just take this away. Yeah, let me try to get the figure out. I usually just cut the tape. I'm pretty sure this is not a professional way to open it, but that's just how I open my figures. Seems like there's like a little protective piece here. Yeah. I think some people put gloves when they touch their figure, but it's for personal use anyways. So I'll just use my hand. So there's the base, which is the Lycoris symbol, I think. Got the body itself, and there's her weapon here. Just try to figure out how to get this out. Oh, it seems like there's a little tab here that you could just pull and it'll come out. Pretty cool. Her little pistol. Try to take this out now. I think her head comes out, right? I think you just pull it out. You know what? Let me just take a look at the manual. I was like, oh, it's in English, but no, the Japanese on the back side. Seems like there are other languages, huh? No, it's just 2 languages. But yeah, let me figure out how to get these protections out of the way. I'm pretty sure yeah, there we go. I think maybe I should do this off screen because I'm not sure if YouTube will be happy about showing the underpants. Sorry for those who are looking forward to that, but I'd rather not get warned or things like that. Can you just pull it out? I think I just pulled it out. Not sure if that was correct or not, but yeah, let me get her body. Honestly, as expected from Good Smile Company, it's really high quality. I'm really happy about this purchase. She's so cute. Her backpack. Even her ribbon. It's got a little wave. It's got like the natural airflow feel to it. Yeah, her shoes, her socks. I'm sorry if I'm offending anyone by handling my figure like this, but I'm okay with it. Yeah, let me put the gun on. I think you just slide it in, right? Or not? Let me try to figure it out. Oh, I finally got it in. I kind of just brute forced it in. But it seems fine. Yeah, let me put the body back on. And we'll put her on the stand. I'll let the clips roll in the background, but here are just some other different shots of the different sides of Chisato. Thank you again for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.